September 1st, Schumann resonance update. This one's going to be kind of weird because, once again, the Schumann resonance graph that I look at least, hasn't fully updated. This shows 11 a.m. For Siberian time, so this would have been last night around midnight is where it kind of stopped out. So right at this bar, right where it stops right here, we're missing a chunk of data. Now, this has happened before. It's not something to like freak out over. I think last week we had a point in time where for 2-ish days, this didn't update at all. Life still went on. We were still living. We were still grounding. We were still, going about our daily lives, right? So it's nothing to like freak out over. But I did want to update you guys with the rest of yesterday because by the time I had made the post, I think we weren't as far along this graph as we are now, obviously. And you can see that there was still a bunch of activity going on. With all that being said, I will continue to look at this chart and see when it actually updates. You could probably expect that throughout much of the night, there probably was still some white surges of energy. Right now, who knows? Who knows? It's 11 a.m. right now, Eastern time for me. So, you know, just spending time out in nature, and I'm gonna see how I'm feeling from that instead of seeing how the chart is reacting. And that's just something I think we all need to remember. I love making these videos for you guys every morning, every day, just kind of giving you guys an update because I feel like it's a good way to build community, and I love kind of talking about people's theories about what this Schumann resonance is. But it doesn't determine how you feel. You feel a certain way, and then you're supposed to make the judgments. You're supposed to come up with your own hypotheses and everything like that. This isn't something that is supposed to dictate your emotions, the way your body acts. And I think we see that in the comments. Everybody says different things in a lot of ways. So, there's never a one-size-fits-all answer to how the Schumann resonance affects us. I've said this a bunch of times, but it kind of keeps getting brought up in other comments. But the best thing that you can always do, there's the best things that you can do, and I say it in almost every video, is get outside of nature, get grounded, and 2, go within and listen to what your body is telling you, because those are, your inner world is your best indicator of your outer world, and, nature is the best indicator of, how the earth is feeling, and this is the earth's heartbeat that we're looking at. So with all that being said, follow me for more. I'll continue to check this and update you guys, but expect more stuff on the way as well.